We offer a way for you to link your wound care instructions to the wound assess screen. This will automatically pull your wound orders into your assessment. The purpose of this is to show you the wound data to verify that you have the correct wound selected and to show you the most recent wound care orders in place. There are two ways you can create and link your wound care orders. The first way I'll show you is from the visit. These instructions will work for both the new and the old wound care screen. I have already selected a new wound that was just created. I'm going to go ahead and fill in the wound care instructions into the comment section. Once the instructions are finished, click on the Add Wound Order button. You'll receive a message asking if you want to create a wound order with the current comment text. Click on Yes. The wound care instructions have been saved as a no VO needed on the verbal order screen. From this point on, each time you assess this wound, it will pull up the wound care information into the comment section here. You will finish documenting the wound assessment and then click on Save as usual. The other way is to create a verbal order first. This can be done from office or point of care. This can only be done for existing wounds if you are trying to link the orders to a specific wound. From the verbal order screen, you will start your order as you normally would. From the drop-down list, select Wound. The Order Builder window will appear. Here in the middle, you will select the wound number that you want to add orders for. Click on Create Order. This will pull the previous documentation for this wound. At this point, you have two options. If the order does not need to be sent to a physician for a signature, then clear out the text and type out the wound care orders to show up in the comment section of the wound assess screen. If you do need to create a verbal order for a physician's signature, then clean up the text to show as an appropriate documentation for the patient's chart. So I'm going to go ahead and clear out this information, just remove all that text, and then add the wound care instructions so that it will show up in the comments of the visit assessment. I'm going to click on Save as Pending. Since this does not need to go to the physician for a signature, I'm going to select the entry I just created and then click on No VO Needed. So those wound orders that do not need sent to the physician will show up here under the VO Not Needed. I pulled a new visit note up to show you a couple of things. I selected one of the wounds that we added wound care orders to. You'll notice under the comments section, the wound care will appear with past tense phrasing. This information does print on the visit note, so you can modify this information as needed. The other thing I'll show you is if the wound care instructions did change, you can update that information here. And then once the information is modified, you'll click on Update Wound Order.